Hey creators! Big news from Envato. They just launched a full stack of AI tools, and the best part, it is all included in your standard Envato Elements subscription. No extra cost, no hidden fees. Just powerful AI to help you create faster and better. Let us take a quick look. VideoGen. Create up to 15 commercial-ready videos per month. Use your own images or just type a text prompt. Powered by Google Veo 3 for stunning video with synced sound. MusicGen. Generate studio-quality music from text. Perfect for YouTube, Reels, or client projects. Music will expand to fit your video timeline. ImageGen. Create beautiful images in seconds from a simple prompt. Great for thumbnails, blogs, and ads. Edit them right away with AI tools like remove background, erase, replace, or generate similar. VoiceGen. Create voiceovers in minutes. Pick from over 25 voice personas. Let AI speak for your brand promo or tutorials. This is a huge value for creators. Use these AI assets in personal, client, or commercial projects. As long as they are part of an end product, no stress about licensing. Want to try it today? Start with Envato Elements. Use the link in the description and explore the future of creative work, all powered by AI. Create smarter, create faster, create with AI, only on Envato Elements. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with other creators, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tools and AI tips. See you in the next one.